in my conversations with our clients, I found it useful to group the various types of patterns of implementing AI in a company or in an environment. So this grouping, I found that it helps in understanding who does what when it comes to training, fine-tuning, maintenance of the AI models. So with that, I have 5 patterns, and I'll go very quickly through each one of them, and hopefully it'll make sense. So the first pattern of using AI in a company is kind of where everybody is now, and it's kind of the table stakes, and is when the software provider provides the AI capabilities. So you are in a PLM system, and it could be that you have a little copilot that you ask questions about the PLM data, right? What are similar parts to this one, or what designs have we done that meet similar requirements? So there are questions in natural language made about the data that is contained in the PLM tool in this case. So that is the one that we are all getting exposed. Never mind ChatGPT and those, but in all the tools around, not only PLM, right? There is now some sort of AI assistant that is driven with an LLM.